So now that we know how to send a message to the user, once the user clicks on calculate and selects an operation, and we return the result, and we also return a note. But this note requires some design because it's not clear here, and the user might not notice that this message is being displayed here. Therefore, I'm going to display this message in a kind of a div that has a background color depending upon the success or failure. So in case of success, I'm going to display, for example, a blue color. In case of failure, in case we have an error, I'm going to display a red color or another color. So how can we do that? Well, we can do that by by passing another variable, for example, called color, and then it's going to be equal to, let's say, here alert success. And this alert success is a bootstrap class that's going to display the text in a block that has a green color. So by default, I'm going to pass this color, and then it's going to be equal to the color. And then in case we have an error here, only in this case, I'm going to change that color variable to be alert, let's say warning. So let me save and let me take that color and display it here using the class. So here I'm going to say class, and then it's going to be equal to alert. And then we want also to display that color. We want to use that color variable, and that color variable is the bootstrap class, and it's going to always be success unless we have an error. If we have an error, it's going to display alert. It's going to use the alert warning class, which is going to display the div in a red background color. Let me now save and head on over back to the browser to show you what's going to happen. Let me first go to the simple and then hit enter. And now let me here say, for example, 8 and then minus 3, and then let me click on calculate. And as you can see, it's going to display here a message: subtraction was performed successfully, which is an awesome. And as you can see, it's displaying this in a green color. And this is, by the way, this is, let me show you that. This is a bootstrap class. You can use the primary, which is going to display the div in a blue color. Let me refresh and show you that it's going to display it in a blue color, as you can see. And in case of error, let me just change this for now. Change it to the warning. The warning is going to display it in a red color. Let me refresh. And as you can see, it's not red, it's yellow actually. You can use the danger here, which is going to display it in a red color. So let me refresh and show you that. As you can see, it's going to display it in a red color. So in case of success, I'm going to use the success, the alert success. In case of error, I'm going to use the warning or danger. You can use the warning or danger. It's up to you. But always use the success in case of success or primary, because it's conventional in web development. It's conventional to use the green or the blue color in case of success to display a successful message. Otherwise, you need to use a red or yellow color.